Today we will take you into the boiler upgrade site to get a glimpse of the installation and commissioning of the EPCB boiler. The boiler control system is a key component to ensure safe, stable and efficient boiler operation. It covers many aspects, including combustion control, water level control, pressure control, etc., to ensure that the boiler can operate according to predetermined requirements under various working conditions. The advantages of EPCB oil and gas boiler body in terms of energy efficiency, environmental protection, intelligence and reliability make it the first choice for many companies when choosing heating equipment. The combustion system of the boiler adopts advanced gas technology to ensure an efficient and clean combustion process. Through a precise control system, the boiler can maintain stable operation under various load conditions and ensure continuous heat energy supply. Our carefully designed energy-saving systems maximize thermal energy utilization. Now we are debugging the system to ensure that every part runs smoothly and the boiler operates stably. The upgraded boiler system will provide the packaging plant with more stable and efficient heat energy, providing strong support for production. The EPCB boiler was chosen for its reliability and efficiency. We believe this upgrade will make our production more competitive.